In this module, we will talk about international migration. United States ranked at the top with the largest migrant population. The US-Mexico corridor is the world's largest direction for international migrants. After the United States, following countries have large international migrant populations. First, it is considered United States, and now the countries which you will see that other people also going in these countries: Germany, France, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and that is oil producing country. Canada is also another country which people are migrating on a large scale. Australia is another country. So migration affects the population of countries and regions. It is extremely difficult to track accurate immigration or migration factors or flows due to following reasons. Many countries don't update their record properly. Migrants who do not report to the international agencies. Status of migrant is determined on different bases in countries. Issue of undocumented migrants, as it happened after the Russian intervention in Afghanistan. More than 3 million migrants are still living in Pakistan after that Russian invasion in 1979 in Afghanistan. Push factors. Push factors are those factors which cause people to leave any place. For example, leaving country due to high unemployment rate or ethnic cleansing, as it was happening in Serbia. This slide, if you could see that how international migration is happening. Lack of jobs or job opportunities, poor level of pay and conditions, poor health and education services, poor quality of life, civil war persecutions, isolated, few transport links, few leisure facilities, climate hazard, for example, drought leading to crop failure. These are the push factors which are causing international migration. Now there are pull factors. Pull factors are referred to the factors that encourage or attract to move to specific place. For example, higher standard of living, our spouse is working there. When few people have other problems or reasons for international migration. For example, if their spouse are working in other parts of the world, they have to go with them to have a successful family relationship. Here are pull factors in this slide which are shown with a magnet, that how people are forced or they are attracted. Job opportunities, perception of better quality of life, range of health and education services, chance to earn more money, entertainment and facilities, and then less likelihood of natural hazards. So there are different push factors and pull factors that cause international migration.